Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm thrilled to share with you the incredible journey I've been on with my YouTube channel. But before we dive in, I want to extend a massive thank you to each and every one of you who has supported me along the way. Your subscriptions, comments, and feedback mean the world to me. So please, keep them coming. Now, let's talk numbers. Can you believe it? I've managed to generate a 5-figure income from my YouTube channel with just 250 subscribers. Yes, you heard that right. It's a testament to the power of perseverance and innovation in the digital age. I embarked on a social experiment to see if I could make money by promoting self-made Blender add-ons and dabbing in affiliate marketing. And guess what? It worked like a charm. Even with the use of AI-generated content, my viewers have shown incredible support for well-produced and informative videos. So, let's get into the details. Over the past 9 months, I've raked in over 35,000 Indian rupees, which translates to around $446. Not bad for a small channel, right? Now, let's break down those earnings. A significant portion comes from my Blender add-ons and affiliate partnerships. Shout out to our sponsor, Ducky 3D, for their amazing motion graphics tutorials. Check them out if you want to elevate your skills. I've primarily sold my products and conducted affiliate business through platforms like Blender Market and Gumroad. From Blender Market alone, I've earned around $358, with the rest coming from Gumroad. It's been a journey of patience and persistence, with withdrawals taking time to meet the minimum threshold. Speaking of affiliates, the numbers speak for themselves. Over 6,000 clicks on links provided in the description, resulting in 66 successful referrals. It's been an incredible journey, and I'm grateful for every click and conversion. As for the future, I'm excited to continue growing this channel. Monetization through ads may be on the horizon, but for now, I'm content with the steady progress and the ability to monetize my content independently. If you're curious about my workflow or the tools I use, be sure to like and subscribe. Remember, subscriptions are the currency of YouTube. And if you're thinking about starting your own YouTube journey, don't hesitate to reach out. I'm here to help. That's a wrap for today, folks. Thank you for joining me on this journey, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay creative and keep pushing those boundaries. Bye for now.